A new coat of paint's much like a new haircut. It can create a new aesthetic and alter your view of your home. You wouldn't just let anyone cut your hair. Why would you just let anyone paint your house? Don't hire just anybody to paint your house. Look for signs of legitimacy in each company you preview. Find out if it's a company or an individual, if they're locally owned and have a website, and when they were established. Be sure the painters you're pursuing have invested in workers' comp and general liability insurance. Ask if they employ their painters or use subcontractors. Insured and employed painters come with a host of benefits. If the painting company doesn't insure their employees, you'll be liable if something bad happens during the project, instead of the company. Subcontractors aren't often employed and aren't the most reliable as far as quality is concerned. See if the company returns calls and emails promptly. Ask if they require a down payment and if they provide a price lock guarantee for the work to avoid hidden charges. Make sure they offer a free estimate and that said estimate includes details of the work. Be sure to only sign a legal contract that protects you with a mandatory daily cleanup, on-site job leader, and a great warranty. You deserve the highest quality of work and effort for your residential painting project here in South Carolina. Hire based off merit instead of on a whim. Contact Carolina Painting and Pressure Cleaning to schedule your free estimate today.